Hello dear colleagues, today I will present the results of our project aimed at automating administrative and management activities in Ukrainian institutions. This research confirmed the practical possibility of such automation and proposed an effective structure for a software complex known as AIS Enterprise. Our focus is on non-commercial institutions, especially those funded by the state budget, and the aim was to streamline their administrative tasks through modular software. Institutions today face the challenge of efficiently managing a wide range of activities. Managers require timely and comprehensive information for decision-making covering all departments. We observed that the existing software for non-commercial enterprises was inefficient for non-commercial institutions, with different priorities, mainly those related to state legislation. The purpose of our research was to develop a software solution that meets the needs of such institutions by automating various services. AIS Enterprise was designed as a modular system to automate the functions of several critical services: scientific and organizational activities, planning and production, personnel management, accounting, salary administration, and office management. For each service, a corresponding subsystem was developed, such as SOA for scientific work and document for office management. Figure that you can see on the slide illustrates the architecture of this system, highlighting the integrated yet modular approach we adopted. Several unique challenges arose during the development phase. Service function evolve, necessitating regular updates. Cross-service communication and data exchange must be seamless to ensure operational efficiency. Certain tasks require collaboration between multiple services, which had to be automated. To address these challenges, we utilized an object-oriented programming platform combined with a database management system, eventually opting for an object-oriented database to fully integrate all services. A key principle in the development was modularity, allowing each subsystem to operate independently while sharing a common information base. This facilitated a better user accessibility, where each service could interact with the system through an intelligent interface that guides users through complex processes. This user-friendly interface simplifies tasks and reduces the amount of manual work needed, while maintaining security protocols for authorized access. We integrated artificial intelligence AI features into AIS Enterprise to further enhance automation. For instance, the system can automatically construct a sequence of tasks across the different departments. AI tools also assist in tasks such as personnel management, helping to analyze and select optimal candidates for roles. These features not only simplify complex operations but also reduce the possibility of human error. To address the financial constraints of implementing such a comprehensive system, we explored the potential for hosting IaaS enterprise in a cloud environment. The scheme of the slide shows a generalized model of how the system could function in the cloud. This solution offers several benefits, including reduced costs and scalability. A hybrid approach combining both cloud and local infrastructure was also considered, offering flexibility to institutions with various needs. In summary, our research confirmed the feasibility of automating administrative and management services for Ukrainian institutions. IaaS Enterprise provides a comprehensive solution with modules tailored to specific services. AI integration and cloud-based deployment options. The system has been designed to streamline operations, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. We believe that IaaS Enterprise will play a significant role in the future of institutional management automation. Automation. At this point, my report is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.